fresh, flavorful, stuffed to perfection. Today we're making stuffed eggplant boats with black lentils, a hearty dinner that's simple enough for any night of the week. You'll need eggplant, cooked black lentils, cherry tomatoes, smoked paprika, mozzarella cheese, olive oil, and a few simple pantry staples. Brush the cut sides with olive oil, then roast until the eggplant is tender and lightly caramelized. Once the eggplant is tender, scoop out most of the center, leaving sturdy shells for stuffing. Sauté the onion, bell pepper, and garlic. Add the tomatoes and spinach, then cook just until the spinach wilts. Stir in the roasted eggplant, black lentils, and seasonings. Cook until everything is heated through and well combined. Fill the roasted eggplant shells, top with your favorite mozzarella cheese, and bake until melted. Get a fresh meal on the table in 10 minutes or less. Download your copy below. Simple ingredients come together to make a hearty dinner that's fresh, flavorful, and stuffed to perfection. Join Yum's Kitchen for free and get exclusive member extras. The links for today's recipe and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.